Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. And if you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about 5 different ways that I have found to preserve food without electricity. Yeah, so I thought that this would be really interesting to talk about. Now, number 1 would be a root cellar. Now, down here in Florida, I can't have a root cellar. We can't have basements either. Why? Sinkholes. So, and the whole purpose of having a root cellar is it keeps the food cold using the natural cooling properties of the earth. But I can't have that here, and I've been told that, well, you can build an above ground root cellar. Here it gets so hot, it would be pointless to have something like that because it would never stay cool inside. So we're not even going to try and do something like that. But for everybody that lives up north, this would be perfect for you. My favorite way is canning, whether it's pressure canning, water bath canning, dry canning, vacuum sealing, okay? It's perfect. It's the way that I love to do things. Another way that I love it is dehydrating. I dehydrate all of my fruit, all of it. And plus it tastes really good. And I've gotten the kids to like it too, so I'm getting them away from like potato chips and stuff, and they're eating apple chips and banana chips and even dehydrated strawberries. They love it. So dehydrating is really awesome way too to preserve your food. Another way is called fermenting. Now this method, it uses microorganisms to, including bacteria and yeast, to convert carbohydrates to alcohol or organic foods. So that's another way. I haven't tried it. I really haven't, but I have been reading up on it and I'd like to try it. So if you've tried it and you've been successful with it, let me know because I'd really love to learn how to do it. Okay, and the 5th way I found, and something that I really do want to try, but I don't know if the way that I want to try it is the right way to do it. So you'll have to let me know. And this way is called smoking. It's the process of preserving meat or fish by exposing it to smoke from a wood-burning fire, typically combined with salt. So this is why, a lot of preppers tell you, buy salt, buy salt, buy salt, because you can cure the meats with it. So this is probably for one reason why we're always saying buy salt, buy salt, buy salt. Okay. Yeah, it's for curing and drying. So now smoking also can involve hanging meat or placing it, excuse me, on racks in a chamber that contains smoke. So my question is, like, how you can buy a smoker, like it looks like a barbecue grill, but it's actually a smoker. Could I achieve this same effect with buying a like commercial grade smoker, or not even a commercial grade smoker, like the ones you could buy at Royal King or Home Depot or Lowe's? You know what I'm saying? Would that work as well? Comments, please. And hot smoking. See, there's 2 ways of hot smoking, cold smoking. Okay, so hot smoking is done in a smoke house or electric kiln over a short period of time. But if you're doing cold smoking over smoldering fire, that takes about 12 to 24 hours. It's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. But this is just one way to preserve your food without electricity. Okay, so if you have a dehydrator, dehydrate all of your fruits that you can, because, if we're ever in a grid down situation, you're not going to be able to use that dehydrator. So one way to dehydrate is also to leave things out in the sun, but then you got to worry about pests. So really, try and get as much dehydrated as you possibly can, and then store it away in Mylar bags with oxygen absorber packs or airtight containers. But everything else, water bath canning, because you can water bath can over an open fire too. Yeah. But anyway, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive.